So let's do the live load calculation, and live load calculation is equal to LIVE, live load, CALCULATION, live load calculation. Normally for the residential building, live load taken is equal to, so live load intensity, I'll say the intensity is equal to 2 kilonewton per meter square, and in the balcony and in the staircase it's 3 kilonewton per meter square. So roughly I'll take 2 kilonewton per meter square load. And if you see the IS 875 part 2, so let me show you. And here if you go to the clause number 3.2.1, it says that for floor supporting structural members, means that the structural members that are supporting the floors, except as provided for in 3.2.1.1, which means that except for the things that are mentioned in this clause, the following reduction is assumed: total imposed loads on the floors may be made in designing the columns, load bearing walls, piers, and this. Okay. So which means that in designing the columns and other stuffs that are carrying the slab, there must be a reduction in the live load, and the reduction is given here. So floors, the first floor, the reduction is 0%, the second floor the reduction is 10%, third floor the reduction is 20%. So we don't have much floor, so let us not talk much. Ground floor, there is no live load is 0 because there is no slab. The slab directly rests on the ground. The first floor, the live load is equal to, intensity is equal to 2 kilonewton per meter square times the area of the slab, area is this much, times there is reduction of 10% reduction, so which means that the load is 0.9. And on the second floor the load is this is equal to 2 into this area into 0.8, the reduction is 10%. And on the third floor, interestingly, if you see the, so we calculated the load on this second floor. Okay, so the column here has got, so we got the balcony here, right? So this column here has got only the load coming from this side, but not from this side. So you can either deduct this portion, this area, or it won't make much difference in the load calculations, so, or the size of the column calculation, so we will not reduce this one. So now it's roof, and the load intensity in the roof is however different than those in the floors. So as this roof, and you can see that on the plan, so we got the staircase over here, and we also got this access way. So this roof is an accessible roof, so which means that in case of accessible roof, the live load intensity is 1.50 kilonewton per meter square. So you can get this information from IS 875 part 2. So if the roof is accessible, it's 1.50, and if the roof is inaccessible, the live load intensity is 0.75 kilonewton per meter square. So I'll use 1.50 times the area. The area is, this is the area, and hit enter. This is the total load on the roof.